Hi, this is Dan Funk. Just answering a quick question somebody came up with today, which was how to deal with call activities and controlling the data that goes into and out of them. In order to do that, I'm going to be making use of something called BPM, these extensions, SpiffWorkflow extensions to BPM.NJ.S, which you can find on our GitHub repository. And I'm actually going to be using SpiffArena because it's going to give us lots of tools to like visualize what's going on. But I just created a simple diagram called, call activities with data inputs. It's got a main here. We're going to set a bunch of variables in a script tag. So we can launch this editor and see like A through F are all set. And then we're going to make this call. If we look at this called element that's in here, you'll see that it's got a data input object called A. We'll go to here in the general tab. Its name is A. Its name is A. Its ID is A. And in here, we're just gonna we have another simple script. It's just gonna set like this out var to the variable A. So out var should end up with 1 when we run this thing. And what I can show you is with SpiffArena, which gives us some nice tools to introspect on the data a little bit, we can go in and look at this process that I ran a few minutes ago and see what the data looks like. So at each step of the way, like when we come in, of course, there's just this magic current users variable that we're setting. But once this first step completes, there's variables A, B, C, D, E, F as well. And then this call activity, it looks like all of it's there, but we can step into what's actually available inside the call activity by clicking on this button. So open up a new window. Here you can see there's when we come in, the only variable that's available to us now, because we've established this data input, is the variable A. So the only thing that reaches this thing is A. If we had tried to reference B in the script task, it would have errored out. And we can actually control what comes out of it too. So we could set like 20 more variables in here, but the only thing that's going to come out of this this process is what's defined in our output variables, which is going to be out var. And I hope that gives you a new tool to work with when you're trying to control this. And it was an excellent question because you don't want to have too much data floating around all the time. It's nice to create some encapsulation, and this is the tool that you can use to do so. Thanks so much.